everybody. It's the Ceiling Fan Guy 1000 here. And today I have this Casablanca Delta 2. First Casablanca ceiling fan. And got it at the Habitat Restore today. It's like, and this is a 50-inch ceiling fan. It's not 52 because the blade arms, as you can see here, are shorter. And you were gonna kind of move things around to fit in the fan, but it didn't work because there was too much stuff in the way. And yeah, so this fan can be in either 4 blades or 5 blades. Oh yeah, and I even forgot to show you the a thing here. It says, it's kind of, get this thing up a little bit. Kind of see what it says there. Oh geez, this is the light that has problems. So let's spin it. So I've heard that these are wind machines when they run on high. So now for the 4-blade configuration. Okay, so here is the 4-blade configuration. So let's spin it with 4 blades. It looks like a Casablanca Zephyrin 4 blades. Let's just scoot up a little bit. So, yeah, that was the Casablanca Delta 2 ceiling fan. And check out my other ceiling fan videos on YouTube. The Ceiling Fan Guy 1000, out.